When I first got my Jeep, it had some paint bubbling and obvious rusty spots. I knew about this going in. I got my mechanic to work cutting out rotting metal, welding in new steel, priming over that to protect it, and he did a fantastic job. One of the big issues with these Jeeps is this enclosed box section that runs across the tub from side to side behind the fuel tank. While this adds strength to the tub, it traps any moisture that might get in there, and that then rots it from the inside out. Another is the sills below the door openings. So I had one side of that box section repaired and both of the sills. The other favorite spot for the rust is the rear wheel tubs, where the tires throw mud up to where the tail lights are mounted. Just have a look at this yellow Jeep here to see what happens when you let this go. Round 2 came when we found the time in the spring to pull the canopy off the Jeep and get into the worst part, which was the windshield frame. With a different body and paint guy, we got some more bad spots around the tub cut and welded at the same time, or so I thought, and finally got all of the patches body filled and then painted. I opted to mimic the J23 SR variant of the Type 73 Jeep's camouflage to avoid painting the entire Jeep, since aside from the rust spots, the existing paint is pretty good. Fast forward to today, and the other end of that internal box section has started rotting through, and one of the rusty spots in the back is also acting up. Okay, so first up we've got to get this blackout lights out of the way. Junior, right? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, there we go. There's Junior. Get the tail lights off and then start getting into this bloody rust here. So this is a good laugh. This is how much mud and schmutz and sand has been layered in here over the years. It's starting to turn into sedimentary rock somehow. Just to get rid of all of that. That's inside the tail light. So this is what happens with these, because you've got two pieces of steel here. This is the internal structure, and then this is the sheet metal on the outside. Here's only one thickness, and then in here you got two. See this gap here? Well, you get water hanging around in there, and that just starts rotting it away because it just can't drain away. It just doesn't drain out. Behind and replacing the skin. Grind a bit, weld a bit, grind a bit, weld a bit.
welded up. Just a few little gaps to fill in, and then recut the circle for the light, and then we're done. We got this part here where the internal structure is still quite sound, but the outside skin is just rotted through. That's what happens. So this is the sheet metal. Cut that. Drop it in. Okay, oh, no more rust. Rust gone. Not the best job of masking ever, but solid metal again. Solid metal, better.